I needed a new torch head to work with Mapp gas and some other stuff for projects. So opening up this Dominic's propane torch head. This one goes with Mapp gas for soldering and welding. You could use it in the kitchen as well if you needed to do bronzing and things like that. So very solid. I expected this to be plastic. This is cast aluminum. Very nice. We've got an on-off switch here. Oh yeah, very nice. So we've got the flame control. We've got the outlet. We've got the switch. When you push that button, that's what's going to ignite. We've got a cap here over where the can is going to go on. It's going to work with the different size cans, and it won't matter. You don't have any switches or anything if you're going to use Mapp gas or propane. Very impressed with the size and the weight of this one. This is going to be a great tool. I'm glad I purchased this one. Hope this helps.